everyone. This is Krista,
And Teresa.
and this is our performance task digital artifact.
A performance task is an assessment activity that is used to test children. These tests give students a task to do that are open-ended. Traditionally, they are not multiple choice. They will have steps and usually need to be explained.
The point of the performance task is that it shows the student's understanding of a concept. There are many steps involved in the problem, so it gives the students a chance to show their understanding.
The performance tasks are scored with a rubric. The practice performance task that is available online right now is a 2-1-0. As long as the students show that they understand the mathematical content and show competency in problem solving, then they will get the high score. The first performance task that we looked at was called buttons, and in this one it's involving math and patterns. I think that the directions were really clear, and it gives them a chance to predict what the following image is going to be with the continuing of the pattern.
The second one we looked at was called addition rings, and basically it shows patterns as well, but it's using mathematics to get there. So it's either adding or subtracting. So you get to choose a number to start with. Say you start with 3, and then the first one says add 3, so then you would get 6. Minus 1, you get 4. Minus 4, you get 1. Add 2, you're back to 3. So you always end up back at the number you started with based on the computations that you have to do. So the task is then to make your own addition ring without using the same numbers.
The third performance task we looked at was called the bus route, and in this one, it was started out with like a fun way for the kids to be working out patterns, and then afterwards they had to look at a schedule for a bus stop and try to find the missing times.
So our favorite task that we looked at was the buttons one, and the standard that it addressed was standard 4.085, and it's generate a number or shape pattern that follows a given rule. Identify apparent features of the pattern that were not explicit in the rule itself. And based on the teacher observation, students were able to continue a pattern using pictures and numbers and explain how a pattern grows and use that algorithm to solve for larger numbers in the pattern. And then this is the rubric. It's kind of hard to see, but this is the rubric that was given for that buttons example, and theirs was out of 2 as well, so you'd either earn a 0, a 1, or a 2 in all the different categories. These are some examples of student work and how different students were able to get some different answers.
These are just more examples.
And there's our references. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.